on the MiNote10 Lite. I've been using it for a couple of weeks, and there's a few highlights that I would like to mention on the MiNote10 Lite in this video. First is the battery. The 5260 mAh battery capacity is the same as on the MiNote10, and that has been great. With just typical usage, it even managed to last for me for 2 days, and with some more heavy use, it will last you throughout a full day with no problem at all. It comes with a 30 watts fast charger, and that should be good enough to charge it quite fast as well. So without a doubt, the battery is really one of my favorite features on this phone. Second, I want to mention the overall performance. It does have a Snapdragon 730G processor, but I was really quite surprised at how well this processor managed to keep up. I've done some photo editing, some typical Facebooking. I really expected the performance to be a lot less, but it surely exceeded my expectations. What also exceeded my expectations was the camera. So at first I thought, okay, it does not have a 108 megapixel camera like on the MiNote10, so it probably won't be close in camera performance, but the camera actually did perform very well. These are all photos that I've taken with the main 64 megapixel camera, and all of these come out looking good. In the evening, indoors, it also performed really good. The ultra-wide-angle lens is quite similar to what we've been seeing before. It performs good, and the photos I've taken with it do look nice. Next, I want to mention the video performance, because that also surprised me a lot. The 4K video can record up to 30 frames per second, but it came out very well stabilized and looking very good. And last, I want to mention the design. It's nice. It's got the same display as on the MiNote10 with that curved AMOLED display, making it look a lot more like a premium flagship phone. And I also like the fact that it's not that wobbly on the desk. So I was genuinely impressed with the MiNote10 Lite, which really performed quite a bit better than I expected. The battery is really good, and its photos actually came out looking good. So that is about it for the MiNote10 Lite, which really is